How to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll. So to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram like this, now swipe your Instagram. As you can see now, swipe your Instagram like this to open up your camera section. After you open your camera section, as you can see now, here is the boomerang. As you can see now, here is now the boomerang picture on Instagram. Here is it. Tap on it now. After you tap on it now, as you can see now it's active. All you have to do now, you can tap on this section now to upload a picture on your phone. As you can see now, you can go ahead now and search a picture that you want to use, or as you can see now here, you can go ahead and search a picture, or you can go ahead and just take a picture now currently on your Instagram. So for me, I'll just go ahead and take a picture. As you can see now, as you can see, since it is active, so tap on this, take a picture. So now make sure you place what you want to take the picture on it. So I'll just use this box. Let's take it and see how it works. As you can see now, so as you can see now, I take a picture of this box. So now it's processing. Let's see how it works now. So as you can see now, after it finish, as you can see now, so as you can see now, it is picture, but now it makes this, it makes the picture like a video, as you can see now. So you can customize it by typing on this section. Here is the boomerang option as well. You can tap on it. If you tap on this section, as you can see now, there is different picture. Now you can go ahead and test all these pictures and use the one that fits your needs, and tap on this done button. After you tap on this done button, now you can go ahead and tap on this next button, and you can go ahead now and share it on your Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.